Hi guys, before starting the problems, let me take just maximum couple of minutes of yours. First of all, yesterday evening at around 6 o'clock I came to live, and I took 1 hour 7 minutes plus yesterday, and I was able to solve 11 questions. You have to listen to this, okay? And yesterday only, immediately after live, I went to recording of the same questions plus extra questions. And within 49 minutes, I was able to record 17 questions. In essence, 11 plus 6 questions I was able to do in 49 minutes with a detailed explanation. You can compare live also and you can compare recording also. Meaning that with recording, because I prefer always recording. With recording, you can complete like lecture, like kind of condensed information will be condensed, such that in a short period of time, videos can be completed on them. And second thing is there are two types of classes. Kind of analysis class will be there. Analysis class will be there, and also problems class will be there. Okay. In analysis class, one problem is there, and in problems class, one problem is there with recording. I personally feel, I don't want to bias anyone. Means I will tell my, like whatever I feel personally, I'll share that. And my version, let me tell you. If I think of analysis, if the class is about to be started at 6 p.m., how many of you would attend? Like you can think of any YouTube channel live or any kind of, any platform live. If class is scheduled at 6, how many of you are starting the class at, are sitting in front of the laptop or PC or your mobile, in front of your mobile or system? By 6 o'clock, how many of you are starting the class? 99% of people are not watching, are not starting the class. For example, if you start your class at 6:30 or 6:15 after the class, then problem is, without understanding that 15 minutes or half an hour of class, you cannot continue. But at the same time, already in the middle of the class, you are going to join. It would be a problem. And in analysis class also and in problems class also, time requirement for live is going to be more. Why? Because most of the times, students are in offline classes. If you see, in offline classes, eye-to-eye contact will be there. And group motivation levels will be always high because a group of students will be there. Obviously, their subconscious mind will completely focus on the class only because it cannot be repeated, offline classes like coaching center classes. So then productivity will be more because subconscious mind will be completely focusing on the class. But here, problem here is once live is over, anyway we can see recording. But because of lack of control, eye-to-eye contact, our complete trained mind, because in the offline classes we used to maintain that focus of the students on the board, but in live classes eye-to-eye contact will not be there. So because of that, they will ask obviously irrelated some information. For example, if we take networks theorems, they would ask about resonance. If we discuss resonance, they would ask about control systems, because their energy levels means students are very energetic. Youth and energetic fellows, so their mindset will wander because of lack of kind of control, eye-to-eye contact, because of lack of that. Now, if you think of problems also, for example, for one of the problem, if I have taken 2 minutes of time, for one of the problem, then if you are stronger than me, you can take less than 2 minutes. Or if you are weaker than me, at that point, if you don't get the idea of that, you may take greater than 2 minutes. In both the cases, it is going to be time waste. Because, for example, if you are able to solve the question in 30 seconds, remaining 1.5 minutes you have to wait. Yesterday, Surajit Mitra, like one of our paid students, he was able to answer the questions, but I had to wait. His time is getting wasted. For example, I have taken 2 minutes, but you would take 5 minutes. Then you are not going to train your mind. For example, if it is recorded version, like you can stop the video, you can take down the problem, and you can train your mind. You may get answer, you may not get answer, it doesn't matter. Ultimately, training matters. Because at starting, your mind may not give you any idea. But after some time, it will start giving. Maybe for that problem, it may not give any idea, but next problem it may give, In that way, means we will be able to train the mind. Okay, but in this case, training of the mind will not happen, because if you would have worked hard for 5 minutes, you would have got the answer. Because of that, in the subconscious mind, you would have developed confidence, right? But it means you are not given 5 minutes of time, because in 2 minutes only problem is going to be solved in live. What does it mean? What does it mean? Your mind is not getting trained. Your mind is just getting the information. Okay, this problem has to be solved in this way. This problem has to be solved in this way. In that way, if you try to memorize many types of problems and many types of ways, how can you get creative idea in the examination? Okay, but anyway, let me start now. Of course, I already recorded. Let us start with problems of last year. Yesterday's 11 questions will be there, and after that 6 more questions will be there. Let us see. Okay.